So let's show the power of this multi-processor welding machine. Before we get to welding, Lincoln's done a really awesome job with the preview weld setting. So you could pre-see your weld, how it's going to look. We're gonna use a 3/32 electrode and 10 gauge. We're gonna go right around 19.5, a nice level fillet weld. Let's try it out. Was just spot on. This is a game changer, not having to guess where your amperages or your volts need to be. It's preset and it gives a beautiful acceptable weld. Deal. We're gonna move forward with our SMAW process, known as stick. Our automatic settings, SMAW. And we're gonna go ahead and use soft since I'm gonna be welding with a 3/32 7018. And again, we're gonna have 1/4 inch steel. All right, let's check it out, see how we came out. Awesome, awesome bead here. Excellent machine. Now for the fun part. TIG welding. We'll be using 160 amps and we're gonna be using the ER70S-2 electrode. And we're gonna use a 3/32 tungsten size. As well, we're gonna use 100% argon and 10 gauge. Wow, what a beautiful weld. Excellent, excellent machine. You can find all of our product and consumables at West Air stores. You'll find your closest location at westairgases.com.